My name is Ahmad Fidos. I would like to explain about our company profile, which is known as Muslim Friendly Mart, stands for FFM. Okay, our FMM is a retail company services that only sells halal food product as a main business. And our FMM is established in 2018 and located at the area of the Shah Alam. Also, our main headquarters is located in the area Section 7 Shah Alam, and for the branches area, our FMR are located in the Setia Alam, Puncak Alam, Kota Damansara in the states of Selangor. And then for our Muslim Prenimat, FFM does not conduct any business that include in an unethical manner and always choose to make our customer confident in our halal sales product. Hence, our product include a variety of commodities and provides affordable and qualitative foodstuff since the end of the 2020. There has been increases in demand to sell halal product. We have been committed to sell halal product for the past 3 years and continue to strive and take this opportunity to create halal assurance system for our company. Okay, we going to our mission. First, our mission in FM Mart is trying to sell halal, clean and good quality halal product. And then our FM Mart is to promote halal product made by Muslim in Malaysia. And another mission for our FM Mart is to enhance customers, especially Muslims' confidence and trust in consuming only halal certified product sold in our store. We going to our vision. Our MFM is providing a society with a halal, clean and good quality with no doubt, and our FMR is trying to be the most trusted and beloved company in Malaysia and across the global. That's all.
Let's move on to our service descriptions. In MF Mart, we only sells and provides halal certified product that obtained by the suppliers. Also, we provide halal certified product that manufactured by Muslim in Malaysia, regardless their races. This is fits with our objective that MF Mart are very committed in helping to promote halal certified product that manufactured by Muslim in Malaysia to be in demand as well as by the consumer, especially Muslim consumer. So these, as you can see, are the products that are obtained by the supplier that's certified by JAKIM. The products that are obtained such as for dairy products, canned foods, frozen foods, soft drinks, ice creams and so on. Thus, we also obtain products from our Muslim suppliers that certified halal by JAKIM, which is for products such as ice creams, chocolates, canned foods, instant foods and coffee for the coffee stations. Also, we provide a newspaper and magazine sections to the customer. So we obtain from the supplier magazine and newspaper which contents are proper and eligible to be read by the public in general. Thus, we also provide an ATM machine from Bank Islam Berhad in order to ensure customers' convenience in making an electronic banking transactions. So the suppliers of MF Mart are among the suppliers that receive whitelist from JAKIM for the halal integrity such as Nestle Malaysia Berhad and Ayamas Food Corporation Sdn Bhd. For the Muslim manufacturers for halal certified products, we also have Azmi Frozen Food Sdn Bhd, HPA Industries Sdn Bhd, Hantuah Sdn Bhd as well as Al Jazeera Ice Cream Sdn Bhd. For the packagings of MF Mart, we provide for the customer plastic bags for the customer that purchase products from our retail store, as well as a cup for hot drinks in the coffee stations and a paper bag for the customers that purchase hot foods, and as well as it will be provided in the sandwich section.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hazira binti Muhammad Noor. So today I would like to present about our processing flow chart in our company. So this is our processing flow chart. Okay, so first we look at the supplier. So we send our restock list to the supplier. Okay, second, supplier at the loading bay. So at the loading bay, the supplier will prepare our products that we order. So next, we look at the transportation. So the transport will take our stock to the store. Okay, so we use different transport. Okay, for example, for frozen food, we use transport that have to maintain the temperature of the frozen food. Okay, and for the other food also, such as cereals, for dairy products, and so on. So next we look at the stock receiving. Okay, so at this point we will prepare to put it at the storage. So we will check the availability of products. Okay, if the products is not correct with the is not aligned with the restock list or have broken products, so we will report and return to the supplier. Okay, next we look at the storage. Okay, so storage, we will segregate the items or the products. Okay, for example, dry products, we will put at the different place with the wet product. Okay, so this is for to avoid from any cross contamination and in order to maintain the temperature of every product. So the customer will buy our product, and the payment we will use for stock our product.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aina Ahmad Asri, and I will present about plan layout in our retail store. So this is our plan layout for retail store, where it is starting from product receiving in storage area. Okay, when the supplier delivers the item, they will go through the door in the storage section to facilitate the process of transferring the item. Then in the storage area, there is a segregation on each different item and also different temperature. As our retail store sell frozen food and ice cream, so the temperature used for the freezer is -18 until 0 degrees Celsius, while the other item will be stored at room temperature. Alright, next to the storage area, there is an office for management use, and there are also facilities provided for all staff such as prayer and restroom and also toilet. Then we go to the inside of the retail store, and this is the main road for staff to move the item from storage to retail store. Here, there is frozen food and ice cream, which is the temperature used for the freezer is the same as used in the storage. Besides, our retail store also provide coffee station, daily sandwich, and hot drink and food. ATM machine are also provided as the convenience to customer in need. As we can see here, there is cool beverages and dairy products, which is the temperature used for the cool beverages is 2 degrees Celsius and not more than 12 degrees Celsius, while for the dairy product, the temperature used is 2 until 4 degrees Celsius. We also have other items which stay on the room temperature. And the last one, this is the main entrance for our customer. That's all from me. We move to next presenter.
Next, we move to Halal Risk Management Plan. First HCP is Supplier Loading Bay. The Halal Risk is the same road in the loading bay used for halal and non-certified halal product. So, the method we use to control the mechanism is obtain the monitoring record from the supplier, and frequency for this method is every time purchase the product, and the person in charge is quality assurance. So corrective action is supplier should segregate halal and non-certified halal product. The record we need from the supplier is production flow chart. Next HCP is transportation. The halal risk is presence of non-halal food from the transport driver. So the method we use is obtain the monitoring record from the supplier. Frequency every time the transport arrive, and person in charge is QA, also QA, and the corrective action is the driver should ensure that no other contaminants include in the transport. So the record we need from the supplier is monitoring record. Okay, next we move to receiving. HCP at the process step receiving. The halal risk is supplier did not check properly at least product to be received. So the method we use is monitor product list, frequency every time the product received. So person in charge is storekeeper, QA and halal executive. So the for corrective action is put a label on the item you want to quarantine. And secondly is reject the wrong item to the store and give a warning letter. So the record that we will provided is product checklist, warning letter, return note, also delivery order. So the next is storage. HCP at the process step of storage. The halal risk is the temperature used in the storage not suitable. And secondly is put the wet and dry product at the same place. So the method we use is check the temperature regularly. And secondly is separate the storage of wet and dry product. Frequency we need is for the temperature we need every 2 hours check the temperature, and the separate every time the product received. So the person in charge in this control mechanism is QA, storekeeper and halal executive. Corrective action we will do is make a schedule for temperature inspection, and secondly is action imposed on storekeepers who do not comply with the prescribed SOP. So the record we need is checklist of temperature control, second is stock note, and third is warning letter. So that's all for the halal risk management plan.
Finally, we jump into a conclusion. Malaysia halal industry has been establishing halal assurance system. It shows that the implementation of halal assurance system will ensure the safety and quality of the food and product. This report has been analysed and discussed about the implementation of halal assurance system, which is HAS manual for retail store. This report also has been referred to the Malaysian Halal Management System, which is MHMS, for the understanding about the procedure and step for HAS manual. From this report, the implementation of HAS manual are very observant and detailed. It is also very particular in each step of the manual. It is also concluded to guarantee the quality and halalness of the product and food from the halal certified company. The halal assurance system are required. This is also a method to provide consumer with satisfaction.